Hi guys, how are we doing? If you're new here, my name is Rodian and today we're back on the house with a few things we need to do. Not just this house, we've got some other things I want to show you as well. But first off, let's jump up there and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. I need to go and buy ridge tiles and the ridge roofing system. But before that, let me just show you something. Alright, we're in a different house. For those of you who don't remember, I built this worktop. There's a video about that on the channel, link in the description. Show you how to build a nice wooden worktop. Anyway, I digress. So, why am I in this house? This is the house that I don't know if any of you have been watching my vlog channel. Me and my wife, we built a gym in the back of this house, which is no longer there. And we used to live in this house. So basically what we've done is we've moved out of this house and we're turning this house into a rental. The whole house, I've basically redone it, recarpeted. I'll just give you a little idea. There's the kitchen. I put all new kitchen, all new worktops, retiled the floor, basically painted the entire house, and just sort of carpets throughout. Carpets throughout. Basically, just sort of done up the house. And there are two things that need to be done in this house. One bathroom and one wet room. Now, this in here is one of the wet rooms. As you can see, the tiles aren't the same and it is a bit grimy in here. And this in here is the other bathroom. So this bathroom, I need to replace the toilet, replace the sink, but basically the main thing we need to do is I need to strip off all these tiles all the way around here, all of that, and in the other room, because I'm having a tiler come in and tile this floor the same, and all the way through here, this is going, tile all this floor and basically new wall tiles all the way around here. Much the same in the wet room. Let's go back to the wet room. So in here as well, all the tiles on the floor are going to be this colour, the same tiles as this in the floor of this wet room, in the utility room and in the other shower, and then white tiles just all the way around here in a nice half bond pattern, much the same as this. So what we need to do is strip all these tiles off the walls, take all these bits and bobs, take all these bits and bobs off. We're getting a new sink in here as well, get rid of all this crap. And I need to re-skim all these walls. I'll re-skim this ceiling while I'm at it, so it will be ready for the tiler. In this bathroom, all I'm going to do is, after we've taken all these tiles off, I'll probably re-skim 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think the ceiling needs it, but no, I probably won't bother with the ceiling. Just these 4 walls, so that it will be ready for the tiler. I'm going to do this now in the next 3 days, so that when the tiler does come, he's got something to look at, so that he knows it's all straight and he knows what he's going to be tiling straight on top of. I don't want him to come and I'll be like, right, I'm going to knock the tiles off, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. I'd rather it be done and then he can come as and when it suits him. That's the plan for today, and let's get going.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me
Okay, that's that one done. All the tiles have been hacked off. Now on to the next one. Oh yeah, I was expecting these two to break, so we don't have 14 years bad luck. That's handy. They just fell off. Anyway, that's that one done. I have to remove that, but that's not a problem. Right, we've got one done. Just got this one to do now. Don't really think you want to watch me do that all over again, so we'll try a bit of magic. See if this works. And just like that, it's done. I'll tell you what, I wish this came in handy a lot more often. Now, I was going to re-skim all of these walls where I've taken all the tiles off and also the ceiling. But I had the tiler around last night, so okay, it's the next day, by the way. I had the tiler around last night and he said, no mate, no worries, he'll be able to go over this and just pull off all these, pull off all these lumpy bits. There's a few little bits here and there, but he said, no, don't worry about it, mate. Just like knock this bit off. He said he'll go straight on top of that, which is very handy, because I was going to make a video about me plastering these two rooms. But no, I don't need to. It's a bit of a dismal day out there today, and all that stuff needs to go in the skip. Yeah, a few puddles out there. Oh yeah, that reminds me. You remember old Boris? Old flappy boot here? Well, I trod in a puddle yesterday, and because I've got some monstrous holes in these boots, I got soaking wet feet. So, I actually think I might have to buy a new pair of boots. Down in the comments, please, let me know, does anyone have any recommendations of decent boots? Because these, as much as I'm trying to keep hold of them, they're just not fit for purpose now, seeing as it's a bit wet. We're going into the rainy season, April showers, so I don't want to get wet feet again. So let me know down in the comments, please. Recommendations for boots. What we're going to do today, well, what we're going to do for the rest of the video is I'm going to go and get the ridge tiles that we need for the house build. So we're going to pop back over there, I'm going to measure them up, go for a quick little drive and go and get some tiles. Not having to plaster those rooms has kind of put me at a loss, really. I had a perfect video planned out, but it saves me, I'm not moaning really, because it saves me a lot of hassle plastering those two rooms. So yeah, you can't really complain. We won't be seeing the rooms tiled for 3 weeks yet. The guy's not coming for, like I say, 3 weeks. So we're just going to have to sort of leave it as is, go back to the house, put the ridge tiles on. In those 3 weeks, we're going to get ridge tiles on and get all that sorted on the house. I'm going to put my coat on, put my hat on. Oh, I've got my hat on. Put my coat on. We're going to go for a little drive and get some ridge tiles. Oh, I'll tell you what, it has been a long time since I've been up here, and my God, is it cold. Right, let's get this done quickly. Got my tape measure. I'm just going to measure the ridges. I'll add a little bit on, just because I'd rather have a couple. Well, I was saying I don't want too many. 3.5. I'll double check to make sure that this side's 3.5 as well, but they should be the same. Yep, 3.5. So 7, that's 7 metres. Right, I'll just run along the top and measure that as well. It's going to be a bit of fun getting up on that ridge. I've got my tape in my pocket, so let's just sort of hope for the best, I guess. Oh mate, I don't like being up here, that's for sure. There's nothing hook and knobbly bit on. Oh, this tape ain't going to be blooming long enough, is it? Oh, 4 metres, what is this? So 5 metres, okay. So 4.5. Is that snow? No. Probably just my dandruff. I feel like a gymnast in the circus walking on the top of this. And now, what is that? Is that 4.5? That's 3. So 7.5. So I'll call it 8. No, do you know what? How am I going to get down? I'm not going to stand on that, because I will slide down that like I was on a pair of rollerblades. That one is 2.9, so we'll call that 3 metres. So 8. It's 11, and this should be 3.5, give or take. Yeah, 3.5. So 18, 20, 21.5. Let's go and get some tiles then. Oh mate, get me out of this horrible weather. It's absolutely minging. Oh, right. Oh, that's better. Should we go for a little drive in, eh? So as I'm driving, I just want to ask you a couple of things. One, in regards to the past 2 vlogs, this one and the last one, do you want to see more of me, just the daily, not necessarily, I'm not going to daily vlog again, but the daily to's and fro's of building the house, as in what I get up to. Like for example today, obviously today and yesterday we did the shower, like knocking all the tiles off, but that's a different house. But again, we're coming back on to doing the ridge tiles. My point being is, do you like how the format is going? Because I've been away from the daily the house vlogs for a while, I just want to get back into the rhythm of it, and I want to make sure you guys are enjoying what you're seeing. I'll tell you what, that's right in the way, that, isn't it, my old twister? Are you enjoying what you're seeing so far? Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you want to see differently, like as into how I should make the vlogs. So like I said, I'm sort of out of practice with the vlogs, so I want to make sure that you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, because I am going to be slowly turning away from doing the whole build, as in getting trades in to do the various different jobs, various different trades. So if you want to, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say is, everything's going to be filmed in a different way, because I'm obviously not going to be able to do the most point of view of me doing it, because I'm not going to be doing it. So I'm going to try and, hopefully I'm going to try and make it more cinematic, the vlogs, but like I say, it's going to take me a little bit of time to get back into the rhythm of filming vlog style videos, because I'm used to the tutorials and all those little brick builds I've been doing. If you haven't seen any of them, then links in the description to all the playlists. They'll be on Bricklaying for Beginners, and yeah, there's also 2 Minute Tuesday down there as well. So yeah, I'd be interested to hear you guys' feedback on how the vlogs are going so far. This is the second one up, but like I say, I'm not going to be able to stick to a schedule of when I'm going to upload these, because various different jobs are happening on the house, are going to be happening on the house sort of a lot of the time, and I don't want to show you stuff that's boring. Well, I know I'm doing this sort of measuring up for ridge tiles and going and getting ridge tiles. I'm trying to make it look good. Let me know in the comments if you want to see less of that and you just want to see more of the build, like actual things happening, actual things being done. So yeah, it'd be interesting to hear you. Let me know down in the comments. And also in regards to boots, please let me know about boots, because again, I trod in the puddle on the way to the motor and I've got a soaking wet foot again. So yeah, let me know about boots. Right, okay, I'm going to continue driving, going to get these ridge tiles, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. So see you in a minute. Right, we're on our way back now. 67 ridge tiles in tow. And before we go, just a couple of things. One, again, let me know what you think about the vibe of the whole vlog. Let me know if you want me to film as much as possible. Again, I'm not going to do daily vlogs. If you do want me to film as much as possible, I will probably condense like a week's worth of what's been going on into one video, like once a week. But again, if there's something that I don't think is interesting, then I probably just won't film it. But saying that, I don't know, do you want to see pretty much everything? Because I can sort of pretty much do one a week or try and do one a week, just to sort of keep you up to date with what's going on. But yeah, anyway, please let me know down in the comments what you would like to see. If you're enjoying it so far, what you want to see more of, or what you want to see less of. It just helps me give you the sort of videos that you want to see, because the last thing I want to do is start making videos you don't want to see. And like I said before, I'm sort of out of sorts with the whole vlog, so I need to get back into the momentum of things. But in regards to the full build, it's going to take excuse me, it's going to take a little bit of time to get up to full momentum, to get all the trades in, to get everything going again. So just bear with it a little bit, but let me know what you want to see, what you don't want to see, just so that I can give you guys the videos that you want, and also help me make the videos that I want to make. So yeah, please do let me know down in the comments. And again, recommendations for boots, please. With that being said, I will leave it there for this video, guys. Don't forget, we have got merch. There is a link down the description, and also I'm waiting to see if the merch shelf. I've requested to have the merch shelf underneath my video. So underneath every video, you should see a little shelf that shows off my merch, and if you click on that, it will take you directly to the website, and you can go and have a look at all the different merch we got up for grabs. So please do let me know what you think, because I'd love to hear feedback on the merch. It's something that I've been working on for quite a while, since before Christmas. So yeah, it's something that I'm really enjoying doing. Also, I have an Instagram account. If you haven't followed me, go ahead and click the link down below and follow me, because I will put up, if I do get any promotional offers on the merch, I will be putting it up over on my Instagram, so you can get different codes for percentages off over there on Instagram. So yeah, go and check that out. And with that being said, we'll leave it there. So please do leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you aren't already. Ring that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So take care. See you later. Ta-ra. I could turn my blowers on now so I can actually see where I'm going. Right, see you next time.